Next letter Zai. Zai, isolated letter. Zai first letter. Zai middle letter. Zai last letter. So Ra, Zai. The shape is same. When we are writing Zai and Ra, shape is same. So like that, Dal and Zal, same shape. When you are writing that Zai and Ra, same shape. Okay. Next is Sin. Isolated letter. First letter, middle letter, last letter. Sin, isolated letter, sin first letter, sin middle letter, then sin last letter. Next is Sheen. Sheen first letter, Sheen middle letter, Sheen last letter. So this is the shape. So Zai, isolated letter, Zai first letter, Zai middle letter, then Zai last letter. Sin, isolated letter, then separately. Sin first letter, Sin middle letter, then Sin last letter. Sheen, isolated letter. Sheen first letter, Sheen middle letter, Sheen last letter. Next, Sword, isolated letter. Sword first letter, Sword middle letter, Sword last letter. Sword, isolated letter, Sword first letter, Sword middle letter, Sword last letter. Then Lord, isolated letter, first letter, Lord first letter, Lord middle letter, then Lord last letter. Lord, isolated letter, Lord first letter, Lord middle letter, then Lord last letter. Next, To. Write To. See like this first. To. To, isolated letter. To, first letter. To, middle letter. To, last letter. Next, we are learning Lard. Lard. Lard, isolated letter. La first letter, La middle letter, La last letter. Then Ain. Ain, isolated letter. Ain first letter, Ain middle letter, Ain last letter. See, I have to write Ain first letter, Ain middle letter. See how? Middle letter. Then Ain last letter. Then Oin. Oin, isolated letter. Oin first letter. Oin middle letter. Then Oin last letter. Next, Fa. Fa, isolated letter. Fa first letter. Then Fa middle letter. fa, last letter. Fa, isolated letter, fa, first letter, fa, middle letter, then fa, last letter. Next, off. See, some people they are writing fa and off same like this, and they are putting that dot. Actually, the shape of this off like this and fa like this. So off first letter, so isolated letter, off first letter, off middle letter, off last letter. Then calf, calf, isolated letter, calf, calf first letter, calf middle letter, calf last letter. Next, lam, lam, isolated letter, lam first letter, lam middle letter, lam last letter. Lam isolated letter, lam first letter, then lam middle letter, lam last letter. So you have to practice this. When I am saying this every day, you have to practice this first letter, middle letter, then last letter. Next, meme, meme isolated letter, meme first letter. See how I wrote? Meme. Then meme middle letter, then meme last letter. Lam isolated letter, lam first letter, lam middle letter, then lam last letter. Then meme, meme isolated letter, meme first letter, meme middle letter, then meme last letter. Next, noon, noon isolated letter, noon first letter, noon middle letter, then meme last letter. Noon isolated letter, noon first letter, noon middle letter, then noon last letter. Then ha, ha. How to write? See, up, down, and like this. Ha, ha isolated letter, ha first letter, then how to write ha middle letter? See, straight, down, and like this. See, down, up, ha middle letter, then ha last letter. It will be like this or like this. These two types. When it will come before this any letter like o, ro, ya, so then we will not join this. You will write ha like this only. Then ya, isolated letter, first letter ya, ya middle letter, ya last letter. Ya isolated letter, ya first letter, ya middle letter, ya last letter. And one more letter I left, waw, isolated letter, waw first letter, waw middle letter, then waw last letter. Ha isolated letter, ha first letter, ha middle letter, then ha last letter. These two types. Ya first letter, ya isolated letter, ya first letter, then ya middle letter, ya last letter. And waw isolated letter, waw first letter, both are same. Then middle letter waw, last letter waw. So middle and last same. Then isolated and first letter are also same. Next step. Next, let's check that shapes of Hamza. See, Hamza, it will come like this. This also Hamza. This is Hamza. This is Hamza. And this is Hamza. Okay. So these are the shapes of Hamza. Like this, Hamza, Hamza. So these are the different shapes of Hamza. Shapes of Hamza. Shapes of Hamza.